In today's video, I will walk you through how to make text behind image in Canva. First, add an image to your canvas. Once the image is added, resize it so it fills the entire canvas. Then reposition it until it looks right. Next, add a text element and type the text you want to use. Change the text to uppercase, then select the font you want to use. After that, increase the font size and move the text into position on top of the image. To make the text stand out more, apply a text effect to it. This will add some depth and help the text pop against the image. Now we can place the text behind the image. Duplicate the image you added earlier, then remove the background from the duplicated image using Canva's background remover tool. Once the background is removed, reposition the duplicated image so it lines up perfectly with the original image underneath. You can also slightly adjust the text position if needed until everything looks aligned correctly. And that's it. Your text is now placed behind the image. That's how you can place text behind any image in Canva using this simple method. The process is quick and easy, and once you repeat the same steps a couple of times, you can create this effect with almost any image and text style you want.